That's all. Yeah. That's all.
Let's edit a Valorant montage for beginners. For this, we're using VideoPad, which you can download now in the description below. Here, I have my recorded footage and music. For the best effects, align the music beats along with the moments in the montage. You can drag it along on the audio track to match it correctly. To add effects, choose a selected video, right-click, and select Effects. Here, I use the black and white effect. Then a simple transition. Just click the transition button to change the transition you want. The shake effect was added on this clip for a smoother transition. To make a smooth sniper transition, I cut the end and beginning of each clip at the same point. The shake effect was used again. There is also the saturation effect, which you can play around with to get the exact feel you are looking for. Just slide it across to increase it. Here's a tougher transition to blend. I use the black and white effect so it's harder for the viewer to see the cut. A crossfade transition is crucial for a smooth effect. I add a motion blur and sped up the video here to get to the killing scene. When the player is killed, I use the dream effect on both these kills and slightly zoomed in for a deeper feel. These are just a couple effects to create a montage on VideoPad. There's also tons of more tools at your disposal to play around with. Edit your video today and download VideoPad right now in the description below for free. If this video helped, hit the subscribe button and check out our YouTube channel for more tutorials.